Welcome back to my new video. Today I want to show you one of the uses of this pest. Yes, I talk about this. If you check my previous video, you will see I talk about this in one of my videos. Check my previous video, you will see this is a liquid lead pest, so you can use it for surface mount component. A lot of people ask me in the comment section, Father Joe, please do a video, show us how to use this pest. So today I want to show you how you can be able to use this pest and do any work that you want to do very easy without time wasted. So today I'm going to show you how to use this pest to put on the charging port pins so that you can do a very clean job for your customer. I want your customer to enjoy your work. I want your customer to always come to your shop for phone repairs and a whole lot of things, right? I want your customer to patronize you them without number. Without time wasted, let me take you over to the video so that you can watch the rest of the video. See you in the video. Engineers, this is my brand new charging port, so let me open and remove it. Check this out. This is my liquid lead paste. So I will take some more out so that I will put on the pins of the charging port. So check this out. This is the pin of the charging port. I'm applying it now. Please, engineers, take your time to do this. Do not rush. Engineers, please make sure that your iron is very hot before you start the work. Check this out. Check this out. Very clean. The pins are not connected together. All of them are standing on their own. Check this out. Very clean. The next thing is for you to brush it. Take your time to do it, engineers. Please do not rush. Okay. Now put it on the phone panel. Welcome back. Now you have know how to use this pest to put on the charging port pin so that you can fix it for your customer. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And guys, follow me for more videos. Make sure you share this video to help as many people as possible. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Guys, other videos are coming very soon. I have a lot of videos, so they are coming very soon. So make sure you stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.